Hey there, future financial mastermind. If you're ready to take control of your money in 2025, you're in the right place. Saving money can feel like an overwhelming task, especially if you've never really thought about it before or if you've tried in the past and didn't get the results you wanted. But here's the thing. No matter where you're starting from, it's never too late to start saving money. In fact, 2025 could be your year to turn things around and set yourself up for financial freedom. So if you're serious about making this the year you finally get your finances on track, keep watching. Let's break down the steps you can take to start saving money, build wealth, and unlock the life you deserve. 1. Understand why you want to save. Before you even think about opening a savings account or cutting back on spending, ask yourself, why do I want to save money? This is your why, the big reason behind your decision to save. Is it to buy your first house? Build an emergency fund for peace of mind? Plan an epic vacation or fund your dream business? The clearer your why, the more motivated you'll be to stick with your savings plan. When you know why you're saving, you'll be more focused on your goals, and you won't feel as tempted to splurge when things get tough. If your goal is a big one, like saving for retirement, break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. You can always add more goals as you go. 2. Track your current spending. Yes, seriously. I know, it sounds like a huge task. But here's the deal. You need to know exactly where your money is going if you want to start saving. Most people don't realize how much they're spending until they take a hard look at their bank accounts. Once you start tracking your expenses, you might be shocked by how many subscriptions, takeout meals, and impulse buys are draining your wallet. Start by writing down or using an app like Mint, YNAB, or even just Google Sheets to track your spending for a month. This simple exercise will show you where you can cut back. Do you need 5 streaming services? Do you really go to Starbucks every day? Take a hard look and make small cuts. These tiny adjustments will build up quickly. 3. Set clear and achievable savings goals. Next up, let's get specific. Set clear, tangible savings goals. If you want to save $10,000 for an emergency fund by the end of 2025, break it down. That's $833 per month, or about $192 per week. Do you want to save for a vacation? How much will that trip cost? And what's your timeline? The more specific you get with your goals, the easier it will be to stay motivated. For each goal, ask yourself, how much do I need? By when do I need it? How much can I realistically save per month or per paycheck? Once you've set your goals, don't just leave them on paper. Put them somewhere you can see them regularly, your phone wallpaper, a note on your desk, or in your financial planner. The visual reminder will keep you on track. 4. Pay yourself first, the golden rule of saving. One of the most powerful financial habits you can develop in 2025 is paying yourself first. This means that before you pay any bills or spend money on anything else, you prioritize putting money into your savings account. How can you do this? Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account the moment you receive your paycheck. It doesn't matter if it's $50 or $500, just start somewhere. The key is that this money goes into savings first. As your income grows, increase the amount you save. Why does this work? Because it makes saving non-negotiable. You'll have saved that money before you've had a chance to blow it on unnecessary things. Over time, this small but consistent action will add up to big savings. 5. Build an emergency fund, the financial cushion you can't ignore. If you haven't started building an emergency fund, 2025 is the perfect time to start. Imagine you have a cushion to fall back on when things go wrong. A car repair, a medical bill, or a job loss. Wouldn't that feel amazing? The goal is to set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a savings account that's easy to access. It's not for vacations or new gadgets. It's your safety net. Even if you can only save $50 or $100 a month to begin with. Getting that emergency fund rolling will give you peace of mind. Here's how to start. Step 1. Aim to save $1,000 quickly. This is your mini emergency fund to cover small, unexpected expenses. Step 2. Gradually build up 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Even if it feels slow at first, this emergency fund is the cornerstone of your financial security. It's a must-have in 2025 and beyond. 6. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. To save money, you've got to be smart about where you spend. This doesn't mean cutting out all fun or living a life of deprivation, but it's important to assess areas where you can be more intentional with your money. Take a look at your subscriptions. Are there any you don't use often enough to justify the cost? Cancel those. Can you bring your lunch to work instead of eating out every day? That's a huge savings right there. Challenge yourself to spend money on things that genuinely add value to your life, rather than impulse purchases or things that won't serve you in the long run. And if you're a fan of online shopping, try a 30-day spending freeze. It'll help you break the cycle of mindless purchases and teach you to prioritize savings over instant gratification. 7. Increase your income. It's easier than you think. Let's be honest. Sometimes saving money isn't enough. You've got to find ways to earn more. In 2025, there are more ways than ever to make extra money outside of your 9-to-5 job. Whether it's through side hustles, freelancing, or monetizing a hobby, there's always a way to bring in additional cash. Here are a few ideas. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or coding, sign up for platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and start offering your services. Gig economy. Consider driving for Uber, delivering for DoorDash, or becoming a pet sitter or dog walker. Sell items online. Do you have old clothes, gadgets, or furniture lying around? Sell them on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Every extra dollar you bring in can be funneled directly into your savings. 8. Use technology to your advantage. In 2025, there are so many tools and apps that can help you save money effortlessly. Apps like Capital, Digit, or Acorns can round up your purchases and automatically put that spare change into savings. Others, like Honey or Rakuten, can help you find deals when shopping online, saving you money on purchases you were going to make anyway. Plus, you can use budgeting apps to get a real-time look at your spending. With the right tech tools, saving money can feel almost effortless. 9. Stay committed and celebrate your wins. Remember, saving money is a long-term commitment. It's okay if you don't have thousands of dollars saved by the end of 2025, but every little bit counts. Stay committed to your goals, and don't be afraid to adjust them as life changes. And don't forget to celebrate your wins. Whether you reach your monthly savings goal or pay off a debt, take time to acknowledge your progress. You're on the path to financial freedom, and that's something to be proud of. 2025 is your year to break free from financial stress and start building a secure future. By following these steps, understanding your why, tracking your spending, setting clear goals, and automating your savings, you'll be well on your way to mastering your finances. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a big purchase, or financial independence, every step you take gets you closer to your goals. So, are you ready to take action? Let's make 2025 the year you start saving for the life you deserve. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to enjoy the rewards of financial discipline. Let's crush it together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their money too. See you in the next one.